Do I know you? It's been a long time. She made a promise to the one she loved, dead now, but no less. A promise. Not one soul more would suffer as he had. She carries him in her heart. His death, his life, will drive her on. She will forge a purpose from his death, make meaning from the pain. And then the Northmen came again to our land, stripping us of our names, our lives, of everything that makes us who we are, beating and binding, taking us as slaves. These Northmen sail under a blood-red sign, and one among them they call Master. Senua will follow that sign. She let herself be taken, dragged in chains to their ships, so she can trace the poison to its source, find the heart, and cut it out. Stop the slavers, keep her promise. But plans can drift off course. It begins as it ends. Alone in the dark. Even when you're pulled by forces dim and vast, fate can stop you cold. Her dream has foundered with the ship. She must find a new light to steer by, find the next sign.
cannot stay here. Too cold. Let's climb.
Don't think about the pain.
Use your mind.
You are a warrior. A weak warrior. Death is near. Let's take this.
You should not have come here, child.
This dark land pushes back. She's so far from home, from all she's ever known, half drowned, and lost in a world still clouded to her eyes, which she won't yield. She must fight on, as she always has. Remember, we've been to hell before.
Look,
There it is.
this is only the beginning.
Climb, Senwa. You need to climb again.
She will fall if she does.
You will die.
Climb, Senwa.
Climb.
Climb.
She's hurt. So tired.
She's going to fall.
No!
Careful, Senwa.
Climb.
Don't listen to them.
Listen to your mind. Coward!
Why have we come here?
Stupid! Come on!
Climb.
She's too exhausted.
Too exhausted.
It's too much. Don't look down.
Don't let the fear get to you.
Listen. What's that?
He's too scared.
The screams of death. They follow us. Everywhere they won't let us begin. She cannot falter. The voices draw her onward. The ones who didn't live. The ones she could not save. She can hear them calling. Lives stolen by the Northmen. She carries them with her. Always.
She is afraid, exhausted.
Death is here, Senwa. To carry on. All this cold. This death. Stupid plan.
Why did we come here?
She's stupid.
Ready.
You're too weak.
Ready.
You should not have come here, child. Your hopes were always doomed to fail. All this way. Just to die among strangers.
You! Why did you come back?
Did you think you had left me behind? I am always here.
I won't listen to you!
Her voice thought she'd left it in the past. Her father. He clouds her mind with fear, but she won't stop. Stronger forces drive her on.
Senua, listen.
She needs you.
She needs you to go to her quickly.
She's dying. That shit is pathetic.
She needs you.
You didn't do enough.
The slavers are monsters.
Look what they do to us.
They are brutal.
No more. I will stop this.
Get across to the other side.
So easy to slip, Senua. Look down.
Don't listen to him.
Being sure can see that.
Please.
You don't listen to him.
There.
Symbol.
What does it mean?
The slavers. This is the right way. The signs are leading me. They brought me here.
She knows that all through this world there are signs and symbols waiting to be discovered. The meaning is there. If only you can find it. There.
A symbol.
What does it mean?
If you want to know,
You need to focus.
you know how to do it.
Focus, Senua, the symbol.
Do not forget my stories, Senua. I am with you still. Out of hell you have come, and now find yourself in Midgard, the world of men. Do not think it any less dangerous for that. Your path has taken you far from home, across the boundless sea, and you must go on to the heart of this place, to the heart of man. You have seen how the Northmen journey out to conquer, and this is one of their lands, as icy dark as Niflheim, yet as fiery as Muspel. It has not long been cleansed, and they try still to tame it.
That shape.
An enslaver.
Follow him, but be careful. They will kill you this time.
Like they did to her.
On the cliff.
You were too weak to help.
Follow him.
Be ready to fight.
She is a warrior.
A warrior with no sword.
No weapon.
She came here with nothing.
What good are you to anyone with no weapon? He will kill you. He will. Stop. Stop. Don't let him see. Be careful. You have to go quietly. What's happening? Another one.
Don't just watch this happen.
Do something! Stop! Stand by and watch. Fight him! Why didn't you stop it? Too weak.
Let her die.
He is right.
They were survivors. I need to help the other slaves.
You let her die.
Remember why we came here. She came here for a reason. And now she doesn't know what to do. You don't know where you're going.
Your plan is in pieces.
She is lost.
You're lost.
The enslaver, the master, is gone.
I have to help them.
Thought you could stop this, but you have lost your mark. The sea tore him away, just like your hopes.
You don't need to listen to him. You know this now.
Listen to us.
You know better. Find the survivor. He is trying to trick you.
We need to help the survivors.
You want to save them. They're already dead. The lost ones.
Don't listen to him. Listen to us, not him.
You're a liar!
You have to find a way out of here.
You are lost too.
She must find a way out.
How can the lost find anyone?
Listen, don't listen.
You failed them.
Don't listen to him.
They are dead, like your mother.
Shut up!
Like
Make him
everyone you
shut
love.
up!
Stop it!
You lost them. Can't you hear them, Senua? Can't you hear their screams?
I can hear them.
What's happening?
You know that symbol.
They are suffering, but I set them free.
Symbol. You need to find it. It's here. Somewhere.
Look for it. Look for the signs.
Find the right perspective. You'll sense when you are close. The signs are here.
If you know where to look.
Do you know where to look?
She doesn't. She doesn't.
You
It's there.
don't
Focus. I
know
found it.
how deep this darkness goes.
Yes, you've done it. You completed the symbol. What now? You must go back to the gate. She must go back. Behind the symbol is the source of the darkness.
Source.
You need to understand it.
Uncover the darkness, Emma.
This is why you have come.
I need to find the source of all this. I promised.
The dead are here.
Can you hear them, Senua?
They follow us, Senua.
Choking, gasping, struggling.
You couldn't save them, but you can save the survivors. Don't listen to the dead, just move onwards. Find the survivors.
What have you done?
Please help! Anyone help! So many attempts. There's nothing you can do.
Do you see the bodies, Senua? The sea throws them up to show you how you lost. Look at them, Senua. The faces of the ones you failed.
Look, wait, look. Some of them, they survived. They tried to, they were wounded. They were scared, but alive. You can find them. They need you. Follow them. Help them.
Oh no, it's them.
Find somewhere to hide.
Did you come here to die? Is that what you want?
Let them capture you again. Are you going to let me kill you? Come on, this guy, don't die now. Listen. Use your
You do not deserve to die here, Senua. He's coming for you.
The Northmen. Remember what they did to you. What are you waiting for? Attack, Senua. Blocking everything. Yes, she is the best of them. Because of you.
It's because of you.
Ready to fight the slavers.
They're monsters.
Why have you killed us?
You got another one.
Don't just watch this happen.
Call him.
Let him go!
Don't defeat him.
Contingaz!
Beat him!
Stronger.
That's it!
Yes.
They hate you! Feel like the keep fighting back! Don't let them hurt you!
Yes. Stronger. Yes. She has to survive.
You must!
You have to survive for us. You made a promise.
You've lost another one. Could you? All of this death because of you. I don't want to fake. Everything you touch dies. You are cursed. It is you bringing your darkness here, your rot.
Why did you bring your curse here?
Do something. Yes, keep going. You can win this. What a monster. Watch out. This isn't working, Senua. I will destroy you if you don't try something else. Not just strength. He can read you. The attack was too strong. Get out of the way. Get out of his way. She is so stupid. She doesn't know what she's doing. Someone else. Listen, they're calling. Quicker. The boat. Go to the boat. There are many, many souls in there. Quick.
Just hold on.
How many can she save? How many are trapped?
Somebody please help us!
Stupid girl.
She was wrong.
You thought they were real. Did you really? You don't know. She never knows. Pathetic. Idiot. Stupid. She thought she could be the hero, but everyone is dead. No one left to save. You left it too late. You saved them. You didn't. You could have saved us, but you didn't.
Did you leave us here to
Let me drown.
hear me? I will follow you.
I'm going to join me.
I may kill your lover, then. So many more will die. Do you know what's
You hold your breath until you come. Then you gasp and the water rushes in. The pain in your chest. There's no peace.
Death with you, Senua.
You should have got here sooner. Didn't you? Lost in the box.
What are you going to do with that sword, girl?
He looks ready for you. He is ready to fight. You're ready. We will end this.
You're fucking dead. Fight back! Come on!
You're making this easy for him.
Get up and fight me!
I'm going to stop you! Playing with you, toying with you, fighting so clever!
Worthless.
Better than you. How will you ever win this?
Find your courage. Let's go. fought well for a while. I'll give you that. But it's over now!
You can do this. You can pay.
The slave! Come on!
You are fast. I could kill you if I wanted to.
Fight! If you want to die, so be it. Get up! You have more to realize.
Come on, then. Ignore the pain.
Stay down!
No!
It is then. Oh, is that the best you can do? Useless!
Stop thinking and feel it. Try to hit him.
You stop!
Wanted to. Quickly.
I can do this all day.
Up. Don't be a coward. You have to find you to be ready. He thinks you're ready. What are you doing so you have to move quickly? Move. You ready to fight? Grab it! Die, everyone, die!
their lives!
Again! What are you waiting for?
Wait!
Do it now!
You can't kill him! Stop! Look. The dark.
If you're going to kill me, just do it.
Takes over everyone.
But you need him.
You need him to show you. He knows everything. He knows this island.
No.
He knows. He can show you the path.
You're gonna take me where I need to go.
Yes.
Yes. He will take you. He will show you.
He has to.
He'll help you.
You have spared him, and now he will take you where you need to go.
You can do this.
Where you come from. Where you take the slaves.
I can't walk. How do you expect me to take you anywhere?
His pain doesn't matter. Make him walk.
We'll walk.
She has to save them.
You have to. There is no other way.
It's why we have come here.
I'm not leaving until I get what I came for.
You made a promise.
She made a promise.
You promised.
I made a promise.